come to my historical recipes. In 1947, composer Leonard Bernstein composed La Bonne Cuisine, 4 recipes for voice and piano. The text for these music pieces is a small collection of French recipe poems by French author Émile Dumont, who lived in the 19th century from 1829 to 1887. The recipe I want to focus on today is Rabbit at Top Speed. Well, although the title in the English translation tends to be Rabbit at Top Speed, the recipe is rather about a hare. It's a hare stew. I must admit, I took the slight mistranslation as a hint, and I'm also using rabbits. Rabbit at top speed. When you are in a hurry, here is a way to make a hare stew that I recommend. Cut up the hare as for the ordinary stew. Put it in a pan or pot with its blood and crushed liver. Half a pound of pork belly cut into pieces. About 20 small onions, a little salt and pepper, 1.5 liters of red wine. Boil at full speed. After about 15 minutes, when the sauce is reduced by half, approach a flaming paper so as to put fire to the stew. When it is extinguished, bind the sausage with half a pound of butter mixed with flour. Serve it. When cooking with wine, hot alcohol can burn your mouth. There are 2 ways to prevent this. Either boiling it long enough that most alcohol has evaporated, or, if you're in a hurry, like in this recipe, to flame it. What will burn is the evaporating alcohol on top of the liquid, not the liquid itself, so don't expect a huge flame, just a flickering blue flame above the boiling surface for a few seconds. To bind the sauce, you prepare beurre manié, French for kneaded butter, a dough prepared from equal parts of butter and flour. Once it is done, you can refrigerate or freeze portions of it for later use.